Hello everyone, hello Khasi people, Meghalaya people. Welcome back everyone. Hope everyone is doing well guys. So previous we reacted to the kids Terari one memorial song guys. So after that they suggested this music video. They told us this is the original video and the song was like a funeral song. The song which is sung for two of the late sisters from the same group whom they died like by the landslide 8 months back they died, so they lost two members from the team, and now we are going to see the original video which we never saw. So may their soul rest in peace. That is Cafinia and Mayanylla guys. So sad to hear about that. So let's check the video. This is Gabs Gabi from South Sudan, Africa,
and I'm Subi from Nepal.
Okay, so let's start. It's gonna be a sad, like sorrowful song. This girl, she's so good in singing. And you can see they're wearing black. Actually, they are Christian. Christian, like if someone died, they wear black. This young lady in the previous song, like there is original song where in the funeral place while they were singing this, in this part of her only, in this part while she was singing, she automatically started crying. It was so emotional that time, like during funeral so many people are there, even the dead body was there and they were performing, they were singing this song, and suddenly she just started crying. That video was so emotional, and this is the original video now they made it. That is so sad.
teng ju mai ka bo nod happy kam ju sa yaki para phi pet phi jngok ka bo teng phim ju ang la ka sa phim ju ting kai phi akin ut la sur jing ruai sinda utrai min ta phin rai don shu jing khus lai Phai pat yaki ngin om la ki sur kan ot ki ba phirwai nong rem kala char ngai kar ki karwai pat kakmen pat phingan om la yo su hak ti kamon pat la utrai jing thang baro kindu ki her SHA LYNDET LYOH yang ni pi ha jing lengo kayin kasem baro kakinja
Why did you go?
To check if it was recording.
I was holding my.
Ning kong ai nga ai ngo yo play balapan na yang bandon hang ni ban ai khu play phi ka kerteng jonga kade beautiful Nongsiej
Who are they?
ngade ka kmi jong i Cafinia Nongsiej ban i Mayanylla Nongsiej hakani ka por ngamla klem da ai khu play phi
Mayanylla. They're singing this song for them. It's a
Which Cafinia?
Cafinia. She's a singer. Like they were one group, right? They were one group. They sing together for so many years, and during the rainy season, their landslide will occur in that place. So the house fell on them. Two of them they died. Their sisters staying in the same place, so they have gone. 8 months back, and the team sang this song for them. It's a funeral song. It's like a memorial song expressing their joy, and it is kind of a sorrowful song, but we can't do anything. As they said, it is God's plan. So may their soul rest in peace. They are also good singers. One is younger and one is also bigger. They are so good in singing. And all the state, like all the people, those kids, they are so famous in Meghalaya, because in Meghalaya they are Christian, right? Most population, like 90% of the people are Christian. So whenever there is big prayers in the church, you will find those kids, they are singing there. They are known for their singing, and they go on also. So sad, guys. May their soul rest in peace. And I know how it feels being a parent and dad and mom. It is really so sad to handle two at once. But this is God's plan, guys. It is not only sad for them, it's sad for all the state and the team. And that is God's plan. You can't do anything. We are here to pass through this world. So rest in peace, Cafinia and her sister.
Mayanylla.
Yeah, thank you so much. That is it.